everyone, welcome you all for the series on Power BI. In this particular video, I'm going to explain you how to apply filters. What do you mean by filters? I hope you can see the graph here. So I have just created a bar graph which basically gives an information about subcategory wise profit. So from this graph, we can interpret that copiers, phones, accessories are giving the highest profit compared to all other subcategories. And which product is giving very less profit or a very least profit? That is basically tables, bookcases, and supplies, right? So now let's see. I want to filter. I want to know like which are the top 5 subcategories with highest profit. You can understand, you can figure it out like which are they, but usually who will have a patience to look at like the top 5, right? So I just want to filter this particular graph so that I can get only our top 5 products with highest profit. So how do you filter that? So that's where filters plays a very important role. So just go to this filter panel that you can see here. And so you have an option like filter on this visual, filter on this page, filter on all the pages. So basically here, I'm going with only the filter on this particular visual. If you apply filter on this visual, only the changes could be seen on this visual. If you apply filter on this entire page, the entire page graph will change. Filters on all the pages means the same filter, whatever condition you apply, everything will be impacted on multiple pages. So that's what we do in our filters. So I just want to know which are the top 5 subcategories with highest profit. So what I do, I'm going to apply filter on this visual. Okay, so I hope you can see here, subcategory is selected and profit is there. Now you have to add data fields here. You can see the option called as a add data fields here. So since I want to find the top 5 subcategories with highest profit, I'll just drag my subcategory on top of this box. It will show you something like this. And I hope you can see the option like basic filtering. So just click on the drop down and I hope you can see the top N there. So click on top N. And now I'm looking for the top 5 subcategories with highest profit. So you need to mention like how many products you want. I want a 5 items. So I'm selecting like 5. So this basically gives you the top 5 products. Now the question is, you want those top 5 subcategories by what value, by what field I need to filter. So I need to filter it based on profit. So I need to drag this numerical column profit on top of this by value. Okay, after dragging that numerical value into this particular by value field, you just need to click on apply filter. Just click on apply filter and see the changes. So this is how we apply filters. You got the top 5 products, copiers, phones, accessories, paper, binders, are the top 5 subcategories which is giving the highest profit. You can create a slicer and you can see like how it varies. I'll just go with a order date and I'll just make certain changes. I want to drop down. I don't want this slider. I'll go with vertical list. Yeah. And let me go back to my visual and let me just change it to date hierarchy. Yes, now it's perfect. Okay, now let's see, I want to know which are the top 5 subcategories which are giving the highest profit in the year 2017. I'll just select 2017. See, the things are changing, right? Copiers, accessories, phones, paper, and appliances. So now let me go with 2016. In 2016, copiers is giving the highest profit. Binders, accessories, phones, paper, these are the top 5 subcategories which are giving highest profit in the year 2016. Similarly, if you want to know with respect to 2014, you can select 2014. So phones is giving the very highest profit. Chairs, accessories, paper, binders, these are the top 5 subcategories which is giving you the highest profit. Similar thing could be done with the help of bottom 5 as well. I'll do the small change. I'll just go back here and I'll remove the filter. Okay, how to remove? You just have to delete things. That's it. So we remove the filter. Now what I do, I want the top 3 subcategories, not really a top 3. I want the bottom 3 categories, bottom 3 subcategories with less profit. I want to know like which subcategories are giving a very less profit. Okay, I need to focus on it. So what I'll do, I'll just drag subcategory on top of this add data field. And I'll go with basic filtering, and here I'll go with top N. And here, instead of top, just select a bottom. And I want a bottom 3 subcategories, so I'm selecting 3, and I want to drag profit on top of this by value. And then just apply filter and see the changes. So these are the bottom 3 subcategories which are giving a negative profit: supplies, bookcases, tables. So companies under loss with these products. Let's see in the year 2017. 2017, supplies, machines, tables are giving a very less profit. Similarly, in 2016, only bookcases is giving you the very less profit. In 15, bookcases and tables is giving you the very less profit. So this is how you apply filter in order to interact with your graph, so that you'll get to know which are the top 5 categories, bottom 5 categories. A lot of things could be done with the help of filters. I hope this is clear. Thank you. Happy learning.